Welcome viewers to our channel City Parking 313. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Dawn remains an unrivaled masterpiece in the automotive world, blending luxury, performance, and modern technology with a stunningly classic design. This vehicle is crafted for those who desire a driving experience that is not only luxurious but also personal, where every detail is designed with meticulous precision and a dedication to perfection. The Dawn is not just a symbol of prestige but also a reflection of a lifestyle that prioritizes limitless comfort and exclusivity. The Dawn 2025 is also equipped with an advanced air suspension system that automatically adapts to road conditions, ensuring maximum comfort for both the driver and passengers. This means that even on uneven terrain or rough roads, the car glides gracefully without jolts. Every journey in the Dawn feels like floating on air, providing an unmatched driving experience in its class. Beyond performance and comfort, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Dawn also stands out with its cutting-edge technology features. From the latest infotainment system and high-quality touchscreen to an optimized sound system that offers a premium audio experience, no detail is overlooked. The interior of the 2025 Dawn is equally impressive. Wrapped in premium materials like the finest leather, natural wood, and smooth metallic accents, the cabin exudes an ambience of luxury and comfort. Every seat in the cabin is adjustable, offering heating, cooling, and massage features, allowing passengers to feel relaxed no matter the distance traveled. Personalization is also a hallmark of Rolls-Royce, where buyers can customize nearly every element of the interior to reflect their personal tastes and preferences. This rumor is just an imagination. Hopefully it will become an inspiration in the future. The Dawn is more than just a vehicle, it's a personal statement for those who want a symbol of timeless luxury. While its price is steep, the value offered by the Rolls-Royce Dawn goes far beyond mere transportation. This car represents a philosophy of life where comfort, prestige, and elegance are prioritized without compromise. The Dawn continues to bolster Rolls-Royce's reputation as a maker of ultra-luxury cars that never sacrifices quality or attention to detail. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel,